Alright, so it's another day. Here we got my buddy Rob. Hey, say how's it, Rob?
How's it?
Rob's helping us cut a hole into the 130's roof. There's Rob's cabby over there at the back, the 200 TDI. We've got a little 90 at the back. But yeah, here we go. We're cutting a hole in the 130's roof. Over here, it's going to make a safari roof hatch. This hatch came out the previous 110 I owned. So we've done all our measurements. We double, triple checking them. And then we're going to make the cut. Robin, how do you feel about it? Looking good?
Confident, eh? Confident. Gonna be fine.
Excellent. So right, let's not waste any more time and let's do some cutting and marking. The point of no return. Can't go back. Okay, we're gonna keep on going. Right, so our hole is cut.
Oh my lord! It's coming through the roof! It's cutting through the roof! And yeah, the knife is working well. Awesome.
Right, so that's it.
Everything is recht, man. Kijk hier zo. Dit was lekker.
So there we go.
Stront die zo nie vir my nie.
Robin says it's done, all done and dusted. The inside and the outside lips are on. We're just cleaning it up and we're going to do a little final test and one or two small little goodies and she'll be good to go.
Then hopefully it's going to rain so we can really test it.
That's it, rain test.
There's heavy clouds around.
So this morning we did have sealed thing. Now we have 1 times roof hatch / safari hatch. There's Robin on the outside. Woohoo! Thanks, buddy.
#SeekerFlex.
Rightio, so the hatch is in. There it is. We're just going to close the hatch now. That's it. There goes hatchy, goes closed. Just checking down. So there's it. 1 time safari hatch in Defender 130. Thanks to Mr. Day for helping me out. What a legend. And there it is. Looking sharp. Thanks, Rob. Good job, buddy.
Also.
Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on our next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and join our adventure.